Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to send your token to the exchange, like if you have a multiple account. So sending token to exchange, it is not as harder than people that are thinking. It is as simple as people I think. So normally, as we know, like sending token to exchange, it is a simple procedure. Like if you follow the prompt, it will not be like hard for you to send a token to the exchange. So before you go directly into our video, so if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So let's go direct. So we have to come this section like Telegram dashboard, which is like every user that participate in PAWS and Telegram. So here the exact section that he's going to like claim his token. Like Solana OGs, it is not for a Telegram users. It is like Solana's OGs, like the users that are participating in Phantom wallet transaction or Phantom wallet are holding, like you hold some tokens like Giga, Phantom, Juke, and other token. So let's go at it. So as you can see, here is my allocation. Like I've allocated of 3,393 false token, expected amount that I should receive within that the time that they are starting distributing token to the exchange. So if you want to like change this one to other one, you just have to come and click on this section, which is exit, and then again to log into the another wallet that you want to send your token or that you want to use it. So let's go direct and see what may happen. So as you can see, I have successfully logged out with my account, and right now I should going to log into another account. So let's go direct. So here is my Tokenkeeper. Like I have 2 to 3 wallets. Like the wallet that I want to use right now, it is like the wallet that I want to like switch it to be the exact wallet that I want to use. So yeah, it is. So as you can see, like we have wallet 1, wallet 2, which is wallet 3. So right now I have using with this one. So I want to switch my wallet to be to this one, to this wallet, which is my main wallet. So let's go direct. So now I have switched it to my main wallet. So let's go to our post website so that we will log in to this this wallet. So let's click on Tom wallet. So let's click on connect. So as you can see, I have successfully logged into my new account, like the account that I want to use, like I want to send it to the exchange. As you can see, currently right now I didn't claim the account like to the exchange, so I want to go and claim it to the any other exchange that I want to send the token to the exchange. So without being saying much, I don't want to be the video to be long. So if you want to like see the video how to claim the token, you can check the other videos like that I made earlier, like on my YouTube channel. You can get them there so that you may see what is happening regarding the sending token to the exchange. So it is not harder than people that I think. It is as simple as that. So here it is. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the